Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all fine. Today I'm introduce satin silk blouses, elegant satin silk blouses. These elegant satin blouses crafted from high quality, smooth and glossy fabric that feels luxurious, cleans the skin. Its soft sheen add a sophisticated touch, making it perfect for formal events, parties, or stylish casual wear. The lightweight material drays beautifully enhances your natural silhouette while providing comfort throughout the day. Designed with a modern yet timeless appeal, these satin blouses pairs effortlessly with jeans, skirts, or tailored trousers, making it a versatile wardrobe essential. Luxury glossy satin blouses include in a beauty of this luxury glossy satin blouses designed to elevate your style instantly. This silky smooth texture gives a premium look, while the breathable fabric ensures all the comfort. Its elegant finish and chic design make it suitable for weddings, dinners, office wear, or evening outings. The blouse reflect light beautifully, creating a subtle shine that enhances your overall appearance. With the grace and sophistication, soft and shiny satin blouses, this soft and shiny satin blouse perfect blend of comfort and style. Made from smooth, high-quality satin fabric, it feels gentle on the skin while offering a polished and refined look. The subtle sheen adds a touch of glamour, making it ideal for both casual and formal occasion. Whether styled with the denim for a relaxed look or paired with the skirts for a classy outfit, this blouse must have addition to your wardrobe. Classic satin finish blouses featuring a classic satin finish. This blouse is designed for women who appreciate elegance and simplicity. The sleek and silky fabric gives it a polished appearance, while the comfortable fit makes it easy to wear and all day long. It's minimal yet stylish design, dressed up or down, making it suitable for office wear, gatherings, or special occasion. And timeless piece that never goes out of style. Premium satin party blouses. This step into elegance with these premium satin party blouses that exude charm and sophistication. The glossy satin material enhance your feminine grace, perfect for night events, parties, and classic celebration. This blouse brings a bold yet refined fashion statement, lightweight, comfortable, and beautiful crafted. This satin blouse is a stunning addition to any fashion forward wardrobe. Cheek satin sheen blouses. This cheek sheen satin blouse is designed to bring effortless elegance to your everyday and special occasion wardrobe. This smooth silky texture featuring the ability to soften the skin while the glossy finish adds a refined and stylish glow. Its lightweight and breathable fabric ensure comfort, making it ideal for long wear, whether paired with formal trousers or plain skirts or casual jeans. Graceful satin evening blouses make a statement with these graceful satin evening blouses designed for women who love sophistication and elegance. This glossy satin fabric gives it a rich and luxurious appeal, while the lightweight feel ensure comfort throughout the night, perfect for parties, weddings, or special events. These blouses enhance your overall look with the refined and glamorous finish. Timeless satin designer blouses. These timeless satin blouses is must have for every stylish woman, made from high quality silky satin fabric. It offers smooth and shiny texture that looks and feels premium. The elegant design makes it suitable for both formal and casual occasion. Easy to style and comfortable to wear, this blouse is a versatile fashion addition to any wardrobe. Elegant gloss satin blouses. This elegant gloss satin blouse is designed to bring sophistication and charm to your outfit. This smooth and silky fabric feels soft on the skin while offering a luxurious and shiny polished finish. Its lightweight and breathable material makes it comfortable for all day wear, perfect for formal gatherings, office meetings, or evening dinners. This blouse adds a touch of luxury and grace to your overall look. Luxury smooth satin blouses experience true elegance with this luxury smooth satin blouses. Crafted from premium quality fabric, the silky texture and glossy appearance give it a high and fashionable appeal, designed to drape beautifully over the body. It enhances your natural silhouette while keeping you comfortable. This blouse is perfect for special occasions, parties, weddings, or stylish everyday wear. Shop it at shine blouses. This Shobikati satin shine blouses, perfect blend of modern style and timeless elegance. The glossy satin finish reflects light beautifully, giving a polished and refined appearance. Its soft and lightweight fabric ensure comfort while maintaining a luxurious feel. Paired with jeans, skirts, or formal trouser to create a stunning outfit effortlessly. Premium soft satin blouses. This premium soft satin blouse is designed for women who love comfort without compromising on style. The smooth and silky fabric feels gentle on the skin while the subtle shine adds a classic touch. Its elegant design makes it suitable for both casual outing and formal events. A versatile and stylish piece that belongs in every wardrobe. Glamorous satin party blouses. The stern head with these glamorous satin party blouses that radiates elegance and confidence. The glossy satin fabric gives it luxurious and eye-catching appeal, while the fit ensure comfort and perfect for night parties, celebration, special occasion. This blouse makes your look effortlessly stylish and fashionable. Stylish satin drape blouses. These stylish satin drape blouses feature beautifully flowed design that enhance your feminine charm. This more silky fabric gracefully over the body, creating an elegant and flattering silhouette. Lightweight and breathable, it is perfect for both formal and casual wear. A chic modern addition to wardrobe, modern to your wardrobe. Classic satin silk blouses. This classic satin silk blouse is a timeless edition fashion piece that never goes out of style, made from high quality satin fabric. It offers soft feel and glossy finish, and simple yet elegant design makes it easy to style with different outfits, whether for office wear, parties, or casual outings. This blouse adds obligation to any look. Trendy satin fashion blouses. Stay stylish with these trendy satin fashion blouses designed for modern women who love chic and elegant clothing. This smooth and shiny fabric gives it a premium look, while the comfortable fit makes it perfect for all-day wear, ideal for parties, dates, and casual outings. This blouse helps you create a fashionable, confident look. Deluxe satin finish blouses experience premium fashion with this deluxe satin blouses. The high quality satin fabric feels smooth and luxurious while offering stunning glossy look designed for both style and comfort. This blouse perfect for formal gatherings, festive celebrations, or stylish everyday wear. A must have for women who love elegance. Radiant satin glow blouses. This radiant satin glow blouses crafted to make you shine with confidence and elegance. The glossy satin fabric catches the light beautifully, giving you a soft, luminous glow. Its comfortable fit and sleek design make it perfect for parties, dinners, and special occasions. A glamorous yet classy piece for your wardrobe. Deluxe satin blouses. Experience premium fashion with these deluxe satin blouses. Designed with simplicity and elegance in mind, this minimal satin chic blouse is perfect for modern fashion lover. The smooth satin fabric gives it a clean and refined finish, while the lightweight feel ensures comfort. Its understated yet stylish design makes it good for office wear, casual outings, or formal events. Contemporary satin style blouses. This contemporary satin style blouses blend modern fashion with classic elegance. The silky fabric provides a soft and comfortable feel, while the subtle shine adds to overall appearance. Its stylish design makes it suitable for casual, formal, and party wear, adding versatile addition to any wardrobe. Polished satin charm blouses. These polished satin charm blouses bring a perfect balance of elegance and modern style. The silky smooth fabric feels soft, lightweight, while the glossy finish adds refined shine to your overall look. Designed to drape beautifully, it enhances your silhouette with a graceful touch, ideal for office wear, dinners, parties, or casual outings. This blouse is a versatile and stylish wardrobe essential. Velvet smooth satin blouses. Crafted from premium satin fabric, this velvet smooth satin blouses offers an incredibly soft and luxurious feel. The subtle sheen gives it a sophisticated and classy appearance, making it suitable for both formal and casual occasions. Comfortable fit and elegant design allow you to style it effortlessly with skirts, trousers, or jeans for a chic and polished look. High shine satin glam blouses. Shine with confidence in these high shine satin glam blouses that radiates elegance and charm. The glossy satin material reflects light beautifully, creating a stunning and eye-catching effect. Designed with the flattering cut, enhance your feminine appearance while keeping you comfortable. Perfect for night parties, weddings, and festive celebrations. Sleek satin couture blouses. This is sleek satin couture blouses designed for women who love fashion, sophistication. The smooth satin fabrics provide luxurious feel, while the stylish design add a modern chic and touch. Lightweight and breathable, it ensure comfort throughout the day. A perfect choice for formal